Did you know that the most dangerous fighters are sometimes the least equipped to protect someone they love? He had spent 30 years sharpening himself into a weapon. Every technique, every drill, every scar had one purpose: stop the threat, end it completely. His hands knew exactly what that felt like. Then a child stood in front of him, looking up with wide, trusting eyes, and she asked him to teach her how to stay safe. He raised his hands to demonstrate and stopped. He searched himself for the feeling that should have been there, the warmth of guarding something precious, the instinct to shelter rather than destroy. He reached for it the way you reach for something you are certain you put down nearby. It was not there. He had never fought to protect anyone. He had fought because something inside him had broken long ago, and combat was the shape that Wound took. The hands that knew everything could not find the one thing that mattered. Knowing how to fight and knowing why you fight are not the same lesson. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.